Hello and welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to another one of my Facebook Live videos. Today I want to be talking about, is business etiquette still important? Is it still necessary? So that's what we're going to be talking about today. But first of all, I'm Fanie Naude. I'm the Managing Director for BuzzNet Direct. And we help accountants to scale their practices. We especially help accountants that's struggling with marketing and sales to get a more constant stream of their ideal clients. So let us dive right in today's training. So I do a video like this every Monday at 12 p.m. Today is Wednesday. Sometimes when I do some promotions, I try to give some more value in the week doing a Wednesday video as well. So this is not a normal occurrence, but I'm just trying to provide some more value. So let's dive in and see, is business etiquette still important? If you're calling a company and the guy just answers, hello, do you feel like, yes, okay, great, this is a professional company, I want to do business with this company? Or someone just say hi, nothing else, just hi. Not saying who, their name, their company, you don't even know if you got the right number. It's so unbloody professional. And you're sending some email inquiries to companies and they just send back a one-liner. Just a one-liner. No. Or they're like, I would want, please give me more information. Or nothing else. Not a name, not a signature, not anything, just a random one-liner. It looks like complete spam, very unprofessional. So I'm asking you now, what do you think? Do you think that is acceptable? Do you think if someone's calling your company and your receptionist or your person answering the phone just says hello, that's all, nothing else, do you think that's acceptable behavior? Do you think that's how a professional company should operate? So for someone like me, that's extremely irritating. So if I'm calling someone, I'm calling them on time. Meaning if I'm scheduling a call with a person and said, okay, I'm going to have a call 10 o'clock or 10 p.m. or whatever, I'm calling them when the second hits 10 p.m. That's how that's how specific you need to be. If that person is expecting a call at 10 p.m., you're not going to call them 5 past, you're not going to call them 5 to, you're not going to call them 10 to, you call them exactly on 10 a.m. That's what you need to be doing. You need to be coming off as a professional company. There's so many people that just so bloody lazy, they don't train their staff, and their staff just thinks, no, it's fine. They never check up on their staff and see how are they communicating with customers and clients. If you're communicating with your clients, it's a professional atmosphere. Except if you're buddy, it's still your professional service. If you're a professional service, you need to come across as a professional service. Emails need to have a specific etiquette, specific structure. You need to greet the person by his name. If you're sending cold emails or you're sending emails to your clients or everything, put in their name. It's not that much muta. It's not that much trouble. Just do it. Just put in the name. And at the end, a good send-off. A professional send-off with a signature. There's it's coming from a professional company and we can research you and check who you are, what you do. That's just simple stuff, but there's so many companies and people that just not doing this at the moment. Then the phone, answer with your name at least. Otherwise, just answer with your name and your company. Hello, it's Fanie from BuzzNet. Or hello, it's Fanie speaking. Do not just say hello. It's very unprofessional. Then, basically, if you're going to meetings and stuff, take it seriously. It's a professional meeting. Dress accordingly. Dress your part. If you're a coal miner, I don't expect you to come in a suit and a tie. If you're a contractor, I don't expect you to come in a suit and a tie. Just look, just look decent. But if you're in a professional service, like an accountant, professional service, it is professionally dressed. It's on time or before. If it's a meeting in person, it's usually good to get there before the meeting can start. If the meeting's 10 o'clock, arrive 1:45 or 10 to. Do not come late to meetings. It's so unprofessional. It's just giving that first bad impression of your company. I know there's traffic, I know there's a lot of stuff to do, and sometimes the roads are blocked, but give yourself an extra half an hour when you're traveling because you need to give that good first impression. It's just so important in a business. Then basically your service delivery is another thing that's really troubling me with accountants. So there's a lot of accountants complaining, no, I'm still waiting for the documents from my clients, or they don't give me the stuff on time, and I'm still waiting for some receipts, and I'm waiting for some statements, and I'm waiting for that, I'm waiting for that. There should be a very, very clear understanding from the start exactly what they need to give you, when they need to give you this, and what's the repercussions if they do not give you this on time. It should be extremely clear. You should not be lenient. You should not be saying, no, just send it when you have time. No, it should be deadlines. It should be getting those stuff exactly on the times that you want them, because otherwise you're going to sit there and wait. You're not really able to deliver your service. You can't compile the statements. You can't compile anything because you're still waiting for documents. You're still waiting for your clients to give you that. So from the start, you say, this is what I need, a whole list. When do I need them? Exactly then, this is how it's going to be. I run a tight ship. We cannot get late on these dates because then we can't deliver our service delivery for you on time. So just be very strict. There should be a very clear understanding. And then the other side as well, there should be a very clear understanding of what you give to your clients and when do you give it to them. You cannot be late on these deadlines. There's just no way you can be late. You work your ass off until you get it done. And this all starts with creating that impression from the start that you run a tight ship and you cannot wait for stuff to deliver your service. It's why so many stuff are late. Service delivery is unprofessional, bad quality. You need to rush it. You need to get it done. But then it's because you didn't have enough time. Do not create that impression. If you're delivering service and it's of bad quality, I'm telling you now, your business is going to fail. You're going to lose clients. You're going to lose customers, because that's what they get from you at the end of the day. You cannot skimp on this. You cannot create bad quality service. Rather, do great quality service for a few people on time, every time, and grow those people, and then start looking for new clients. Do not just take on 100 clients and you just provide poor service delivery for all of them, and then your name is tainted for the rest of your business career because you delivered bad service. That's just unacceptable. So don't fall into that trap. So that's what I'm talking about today. So yes, business etiquette, very, very important. Create a great first impression. You know, that stuff is important in business. Do not skimp on it. Do not think, oh no, I'm an entrepreneur and I can greet people as hey buddy, or hey dude, how's it going, or yes, hey bro. No, that stuff is just not on in business. It's just not on. Even if you're friendly with the guy, it should be a professional service. If you're inquiring on people's pages and asking them questions, no, hey buddy, let's do this. No, if you're a professional, act professionally. It's not that difficult. Do not come off as this windgat, guy that's just, oh no, I'm just in it for myself. If people send you messages, reply promptly. Do not keep them on waiting. If someone's having inquiries on you, you should be there on the ball, responding to those guys, because that's your impression, that's your professionalism. You should have stuff like that. No chatbots, nothing like that. You yourself, because that's what's professional. If you're going to have some chatbots on your site or on your website, it creates an unprofessional thing. You're chatting with a bot and it's extremely irritating. So that's just, I can't explain how much I hate chatbots. It's just so unprofessional, so cold. If you don't have the time to speak with me, why on earth am I going to do business with you? If you can't take the 2 minutes to reply my message, you need a bot for that. I'm not going to want to do business with you. Just as simple and clear as that. That's just how it works. So that's what I wanted to be talking about today. Quick reminder, this is our November promotion. So basically, we are giving free consultations this entire month. Me and my team is doing free consultations. Anything, schedule a call with me. All the descriptions is going to be in the description. All the links is going to be there. Free consultations are LinkedIn short course this year created, so it's up to date on all the latest things you can do with LinkedIn and how to get some clients there. It's on promotion for $4,999, and every 5th sale on our website is completely free. So check out those links in the description. And if you want some extra cash for this December or this holiday that's coming up, we're launching our referral program. You can get up to 4,000 Rand per referral that signs up with us. So check out all those links in the description. And thank you everybody, and enjoy the rest of your week.